Get noticed in this 2012 Mini Cooper. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for. With low miles, this automobile will take you far and get you where you want to go. With an efficient 4-cylinder engine, the powertrain includes front-wheel drive, connected to a smooth shifting transmission. The anti-lock braking system will help deliver you safely to your destination. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: power door locks, power windows, cruise control, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player, a satellite radio, power mirrors, power steering. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: front ventilated disc brakes, curtain head airbags, passenger airbag, side airbag, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.